Good day everyone. Today we will discuss some problems on the steady state error. The open loop transfer function of a feedback control system is given by g of s h of s is 100 by s square into s plus 4 into s plus 12. Determine the steady state error coefficients and also determine the steady state error for the input r of t is equals to 2t square plus 5t plus 10. So first we have to find out the steady state error coefficients. The steady state error coefficients are Kp, that is limit s tends to 0, g of s, h of s, so which is equals to limit s tends to 0, g of s, h of s is 100 divided by s square into s plus 4 into s plus 12. So which is equals to, so limit s tends to 0, this I'll substitute 0, here 0, here also 0, so something by 0 is infinity. Next steady state error coefficient Kv. So Kv is given by limit s tends to 0, s into g of s, h of s, so which is equals to limit s tends to 0, s into 100 divided by s square into s plus 4 into s plus 12. So here in the numerator 1s, in the denominator 1s will get cancelled. So remained is 100 divided by s into s plus 4 into s plus 12. If I substitute s equal to 0, here this will be 0. So 0 something by 0 is again infinity. Next static error constant Ka, auxiliary error constant, limit s tend to 0, s square, g of s, h of s, so which is equals to limit s equal to 0, s square 100 divided by s square into s plus 4 into s plus 12. So here s square gets cancelled. Now s equal to 0, here I will substitute, here also s equal to 0. Now this is equals to 100 4 into 12, so which is equals to 2.5. Now steady state error, 100 divided by 48, which will get I'll get 2.083. Now he is asking you to find out steady state error for the input r of t is equals to 10 plus 5t plus 2t. So here you have complete three types of inputs. This is step input, this is ramp input, and this is parabolic. So the parabolic standard form, as we know, at square by 2. So to get this into this form, which is equals to 2t square, so since you have to get by 2 here, so I will multiply and divide by 2 to this value. So I'll get here 4 by 2 t square. So now I can write this as 10 plus 5t plus 4 by 2 t square. This is my input form. So compare with my standard forms. This is A1, this is A2, and this 4 is A3. So my ESS is given by, for step input 10, my ESS is A1 divided by 1 plus Kp. Now this is A2 divided by Kv plus this is A3 divided by Ka. So this is equals to A1 is 10 divided by 1 plus Kp. Kp value I got infinity, plus A2 is 5. So 5 divided by infinity plus A3 is 4 divided by Ka is 2.0883. So this is something by 1 plus infinity is infinity, something by infinity is 0, 5 divided by infinity is also 0. Now 4 by 2.08 is plus 2.5. So the steady state error is given by 2.5 ESS is equals to approximately 2.5. So this is one of the problem. So next we'll go to one more problem, which is university problem, which was asked in 2016. The problem asked in 2016 question paper, that is an unity feedback system as g of s is equals to 20 by s plus 1 plus s divided by s square into 2 plus s plus into 4 plus s. This is type 2 system. Calculate its steady state error constants, coefficients, and also apply input study, and also when apply input r of t is equals to 40 plus 2t plus 5t square. So this is type 2 system. This comes under type 2 system. So first we will find out steady state error coefficients. First, positional error coefficient, that is Kp. Kp, which is given as limit s tends to 0 g of s. So which is equals to limit s tends to 0 g of s is, the g of s is given as 20 into 1 plus s divided by s square into 2 plus s into 4 plus s. So if I substitute s equal to 0, s square term, this is type 2 system, so this will become infinity. So next, velocity error constant or coefficient, Kv, which is equals to limit s tends to 0 s square s into g of s. So which is equals to limit s equal to 0 s, substitute g of s 20 by 1 plus s divided by s square 2 plus s into 4 plus s. So s in the numerator 1s, here denominator 1s will cancel, still one more s is remain. If I substitute s equal to 0, this denominator term will become 0, and something by 0 is again infinity. Next, acceleration error constant Ka, which is given as limit s tends to 0 s square g of s, which is equals to limit s tends to 0 s square, that is 20 into 1 plus s square into 2 plus s into 4 plus s. So in this s square gets cancelled. Now you substitute s equal to 0, so 20, this will be 20 into 1 plus 0 is 1 divided by, this is 2 plus 0 2, 4 plus 0 4, 2 into 4. Now this value will be 2.5. So this is a steady state error constant for Ka. Since it is type 2 system, we have only Ka value for Now we have to find out steady state error for 40 plus 2t plus 5t square. So input r of t is given by 40 plus 2t plus 5t square. So to convert into standard form, we'll get 40 plus 2t plus 5 into 2 by 2 into t square, because this is step, this is ramp, and this is parabolic. So parabolic, a by t square by 2 you have to get. So to get divided by 2, I am multiplying with 2 by t. So I'll get 40 plus 2t plus 5 into 2, 10 by 2 t square. So now my ESS is given by a by 1 plus kp, a1 by 1 plus kp, next a2 by 1 plus kV plus a2 by kV plus a3 divided by ka. So from this above we can say a1 is 40, a2 is 2 and a3 is 10. So substituting in this, 40 plus 1 plus infinity plus 2 by infinity plus 10 by this is Ka value 2.5. So this something by infinity you will get 0, this is also 0, this is 10.2.5, you will get around 4 plus 4. So total is 4. So my ESS for 40 plus 2t plus 5t square is 4. So one more problem we'll do. This is problem from University question paper 2018 July question paper. Question number, that is in module 3, question number 6b. For a g of s h of s k by s square plus s plus 2 plus s plus 3, find the value of k to steady state error to be 10 units when the input is 1 plus 10t plus 40t square by 2. So 2018 July question paper problem. So they gave g of s and h of s, and they is asking and they are saying find the value of k for the steady state error of 10 units when the input of the system is 1 plus 10t plus 42 by t square. Let's find out first steady state error constants. So what is the value of kp? Kp is given by limit s tends to 0 g of s h of s. So this is limit s tends to 0 g of s h of s is k by s square s plus 2 into s plus 3. Since this is type 2 system, so if I substitute s equal to 0 here, and I'll get this as infinity. Next kv is limit s tends to 0 s into g of s h of s. So this value will also be limit s equal to 0 s into k by s square s plus 2 into s plus 3. So 1s gets cancels, one more s is there. If I substitute s equal to 0, something by 0, it will also be infinity. Similarly, I will find out now Ka value. The Ka value will be Ka will be limit s tends to 0 s square into g of s into h of s. If I substitute in this, limit s equal to 0 s square g of s h of s is k by s square s plus 2 into s plus 3. So in this s square gets cancels. If I substitute s equal to 0, I'll get k divided by 2 into 3. That I'll get k by 16. K by 6. Now they give the steady state error. Find the value of k when the steady state error is 10 units. They given ESS is 10. So what is the formula of ESS? ESS is given by A1 divided by 1 plus Kp plus A2 divided by 1 plus divided by 1 by Kv plus A3 divided by 1 by Ka. We already find out K1, K2, these values. Now what is input? R of t is given by, R of t is 1 plus 10t plus 40 by 2 t square. This is the form of a plus a2t plus this is a3 by 2 t square form. So when you compare with this, you got a1 as 1, a2 as 10 and a3 as 40. This is parabolic input. So if it is not there, we have to convert it since it is already in the parabolic form, standard form. So my ESS will be, what is a1? 1 divided by 1 plus the ESS value 1 plus kp is infinity. This is a2 is 10 by 10 by kV is also infinity, 1 by infinity, plus a3 by ka. So a3 is 40 divided by ka is k by 6. So this is equals to 10. So since 1 by infinity is 0, this is also 0. Now this is 40k by 6, so it will be 6 into 40 divided by k, which is equals to 10. From this, k is equals to 6 into 40 divided by 10, which is 10 ones are 10 fours are this, which is equals to 24. The k value is 24. So one thing you have to remember, in the complete problem, the input is combination of step, ramp and parabolic. So you have to remember the step input is some constant you will have. For ramp input, a of t you will have. For parabolic, a of t square by 2 it will be. So accordingly you have to substitute in the formula and you have to get the k value. So these are the problems on steady state error which was important and which was asked in the previous question papers. Thank you.